Yeller. Hey everyone. Hi guys. Hello, it is Wednesday. It is April 10th. April 10th? Are we kidding here? I clearly meant August 10th. I don't know why the my brain's in April. Welcome to moving vlog number 1. I am so freaking excited for this. Oh my gosh, you have no idea how excited I am for this next chapter. Like, it is something I've been thinking about for months and 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 months. We have so much to talk about. We have so much to do. We have so much happening in the next 3 weeks. It's crazy. So like I said, it's August 10th. We move into our new place on Friday, 2 days, August 12th. But our lease here isn't up until the 29th of August. So we technically have like 2 weeks to fully move out, which is honestly perfect timing because that way we can either move out slowly, you know, take the big stuff. It's not going to be such a hassle trying to move out while this lease is up. That's that. We move in on Friday, or we get the keys technically, so we start the move-in process on Friday. But as you can tell from my room, I have absolutely nothing packed. I have not made a single move in the direction of packing. Do you want to know why? It's because I've been fucking stressed out. I've been stressed out with so much shit the past like month. I feel like July was such a busy month for me. I barely even vlogged anything in July. It's been cram time finding a place. It's been stressful with traveling, events, work, da-da-da. I was also in a rut, so it was just, July was kind of a crazy month for me mentally, but I'm back and I am motivated to keep going and get this moving vlog started. I didn't want to start it on the day of actual moving just because I have so much to do. It's not even funny. I have to pack. I don't even know where to start with packing, honestly. Like, I genuinely don't, and I think that a lot of it is going to be done the day of. We are moving about 15 minutes away from here where we currently live. It's just a different area, different city, whatever. So I'm really excited about this, the whole other chapter. There's so much happening in the next couple of weeks that I will show you guys and tell you guys about soon. Yeah, I just feel, I think July was so uncomfortable for me because they always say that you feel uncomfortable when you're about to have this like big life change or just big, you know, thing, like the universe starts working in your way, everything, your manifestations come true, yada yada yada. If you guys watched my last vlog, you guys know that Q and I will be going our own way, and Jake and Kate will be going our own way, the people that we live with, just to start our own chapter. I'm really excited. If you guys can guess, well, you'll guys see. I don't know. No, there's no reason to guess. If you can guess now, maybe you can, if you've watched all the apartment tour vlogs, you can guess which one we got. It's been a whole lot of a longer process than getting this apartment. This apartment we currently live in was within a day we were like moving in. It felt like, actually not moving in, but like we were accepted and everything was good to go. This has been like probably a week of just getting paperwork done. No, probably 2 weeks of just getting paperwork done. We got approved for this place like Monday or Sunday or something like that, and then we signed the lease today. I went to the bank, got cashier's check for security deposit and first month's rent and all that fun stuff. I have no idea what Q and I are gonna do. He's on his way home from work right now, but I don't know if we're gonna start packing tonight, if we're gonna just like talk about it tonight. I don't know what this vlog is gonna be, what you'll see next. But before I forget, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the other moving vlogs that are coming literally in the weeks to come. And make sure you're also following me on Instagram and TikTok because I've been posting a lot over, especially on TikTok, because Instagram's kind of been boring these days. So make sure to follow me, especially on TikTok, if you guys want to keep up with some of my life. I will see you guys whenever I see you. I don't know what is going to be next, but let's cut to it. Good morning. It is Friday. Oh my gosh. It is Friday. We get our keys today, which I am going to go do right now. I woke up kind of around like 7, honestly, but fell back asleep the tiniest bit. I felt like I was in a very, very like light sleep. And now it is 9:30 and their leasing office open at 9, so I'm gonna go ahead and go over, give rent, and deposit and all the fun stuff. I just picked up a little bit, got ready. I self-tanned last night for the first time in a very long time, and I used White Fox's sister brand Baddest, like their self tanner, and I actually really like it. It gives me like actually like a brown color instead of like orange. I'm getting the keys and I am moving by myself because Q works both of his jobs today, so he is gone all day and all night. So he won't be able to help, but I am getting my friend Bobby to come and help me like load the big stuff because he has a truck, so he'll be loading like the dresser, the bed, the couch, whatever. So most of this day is just me packing the little stuff, like all of the bathroom stuff, like transferring the clothes, maybe like medium-sized furniture. Like I could probably fit this desk in my car. Remember when we moved in, I actually built like the bed by myself, so I know I'm capable of doing things by myself. I just feel like such a big kid because I have been doing literally this whole entire move out process by myself because Q works so much. I don't know if I've told you guys, but we are moving to the one, it'll be my last video that you guys just saw, the one with the 2 stories. That's the one we're moving into, and we're very, very excited. We just felt like it was best for us, and it felt like an upgrade for us at the best price. That's what we're doing. It's a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. I absolutely love it. It, like I said in the vlog, that it literally spoke to me. And yeah, I felt like it was the one, like I literally couldn't let it go. That's when you know, I feel like. But yeah, I'm gonna go pick up coffee before, and I am gonna go pick up the keys. I'm not gonna vlog me necessarily like getting the keys in that process, but I'll take you guys for like the final walkthrough of the apartment. I just got the keys. They're like weird little fobs. Interesting little fobs. And then we have a garage, so I got 1 garage key, or 2 garage keys. So that's that, and then our 2 keys. I'm so excited. So they said that they're gonna do like a final like dusting and whatever, cleaning and stuff, so I can come back by 11. It is 10 a.m. now, so I'm gonna go home and start packing, doing the little stuff. I'll probably pack the bathroom first, and then go from there. See you at home. Okay, so as you guys saw, I just got my keys. They're doing a cleaning and everything, so I have to wait. I mean, not really wait, because I wouldn't have even been there by 11 anyway, but I have to wait till 11 because they're gonna like do like a cleaning and dusting and whatever final kind of sweep through before we move in. I'm gonna start packing, and we have bins out there from Q's mom, but I think I'm gonna start with the bathroom first. That just seems a little bit more obtainable, since it could all probably fit in one bin. So I have stuff like in the shower and in the like cabinet, and you know, all the makeup and everything. So maybe a bin or 2, I don't know, but I'm gonna start with that just because I need to like do like 1 room at a time, and then I'll leave the big stuff for Bobby. But I'm like gonna strip the bed. I feel like I want to try to eventually today take down the bed because it's like a full bed set, like it's a headboard and frame and stuff. I set it up by myself, but I don't know how I'm gonna be able to take it down. So let's hope I know how to do that. But let's go ahead and start with the bathroom. So I think I'm gonna start with like maybe makeup and like all my hair care stuff, and then this cabinet has like a crap ton of products. Basically, I'm just gonna like lazily throw it in there. I'll try to put them in like nice like containers, but that probably won't happen. Okay, I'm taking a lunch break, going to Chipotle to get some fuel. I packed like all the like things that are on the surfaces, so like, well, my desk or my computer has to go separately, but like all the nightstand stuff. The bathroom is completely done, besides it's still it's echoey in here now. It's so weird. It's all done besides this stuff, which I'll take like last minute, like just like after everything's like in there and stuff. But all these drawers are empty. There's just toilet paper in there, but and then once I come back, like after I moved everything, I'm just gonna clean everything just to make it look nice and stuff. So that's that. I have to clean the toilet, that's why that's still there, trash can, So that's the bathroom, and then the closet I'm literally dreading doing. There's just so much shit. I mean, I could just like put these in the car as they are, but this is what's gonna stress me out. And then putting all these clothes in trash bags, shoes, and then Q's fucking side. But right now I'm just gonna go to Chipotle with my little sister, and then I'm gonna go drop off the boxes that I already packed. I have 4 boxes in my car currently that I'm going to drop off after lunch, and then I can like repack my car and stuff and just make multiple trips. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I just got back from the first trip of dropping off boxes, and I just walked through the house really quick. So exciting. And then I just loaded 3 more boxes of the like stuff that was on surfaces. I think I'm saving the closet for last, or just like I'm just trying to get the majority of the things out of the bedroom, and then I can work on the closet. I don't know, guys, this is really hard to do by myself. It's so hard because I feel like I need people making trips while I pack. I don't know what I need to do next. I think maybe what I'm gonna do is possibly work on like the white drawers in the closet, just because I have a couple more buckets or boxes left that I can like load with stuff to get that going. So I might do that.
When you're not here, the sun don't shine. When you're not near, I don't feel like I do when you're with me. It felt like suddenly our souls collided, hearts entwined. When I decided to make you mine, I'm never going back. I know that's a fact, but how do I know if it's love that I'm speaking of? This is love if I'm making you breakfast. This is love if I feel myself coming down when you're not around. This is love if I think I've gone crazy. This is love if it seems I don't care at all. That your love hit me like a cannonball. I used to worry about my options,
Okay guys, so Bobby and I finished a lot. We got the bed set up. Oh, look, there's me. Nightstands, cute surfboards, just momentarily there. I'll show you downstairs for the fun of it. It's weird saying I'll show you downstairs. That's so weird. This is the couch. I'll show you. But this is what we have so far. That's tomorrow. But we have the couch. We're temporarily having this couch here, but yeah. And then over here we don't have anything. So I also realized I don't even have sheets. We don't have any shower things. I mean, we have some, but no, we don't. We don't have like our body wash, any of that stuff we don't have. So it's midnight. Tomorrow is going to be more of obviously moving and getting more shit done. I still have the dresser at home. I still have so much of the closet to bring back, and yeah, we even got the outdoor furniture from Outer back in. Bobby and I did. I'll show you. I don't know if you guys can even see it out there. Yeah, I think a little couch. You probably can't even see it, but we got that out there. And now Q and I are going to bed. It's like almost 1. It's been such a long day, and I honestly thought it would all be done in one day. Like, I thought it was going to be a lot easier than it was, just because I've never moved by myself and a whole apartment to another place. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thanks for watching moving vlog 1. Make sure you're subscribed and make sure you turn on post notifications so you're aware of my other moving vlogs coming literally this week and next. Yeah, a lot more to film, so make sure you're subscribed and follow me on Instagram. I will see you guys in my next moving vlog. Bye.